Hey guys, how's it going? How to use voice search on Amazon Prime Video. Open the app on your device, Fire TV, streaming device, or mobile. And on the device with the remote, press the voice button, usually microphone icon on the remote. Once the voice search interface appears, say the title of the movie, show, or genre you want to search for. The app will display search results based on your voice command. You can then select the desired content to watch. For mobile devices, you may also use the microphone icon in the search bar if supported. Enjoy your viewing. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.